My question today is, what is the best process to use when writing a resume? Well, best probably is somewhat of a personal preference, but I will tell you how I do it, and I think this works well for most people. First thing, you want to know what the employers want in the positions that you are interested in. So I would get 3 to 5 job postings of positions that are of interest to you, and I would look through them. I would look at what are the requirements, what are the common keywords you're seeing across those job descriptions, what are common duties, and then I would write those down because that's what they want to see in your resume. So then what you're going to do is once you see that list, you're going to go through your work history, education, maybe even volunteer work, and see what you have done that aligns with what the job descriptions are looking for. Now, you want to write those down and try to include metrics, anything that shows a result. Next thing then is you're going to start writing. I like to start at the bottom of the resume and then work my way to the top. So for the bottom, that could be sections that include professional memberships, it could be your education section. And the reason I like to do that is it kind of gets me in the groove. They're pretty easy to put together and you kind of get this flow. Then you start working on your experience. So often then I will go ahead and I'll start with the most recent job and then start writing those bullet points that address what the job descriptions are asking for. Now, when I write those bullet points, I want to keep in mind the keywords. I want to usually start them with an action verb, and I want to try to keep them as succinct as possible. But I don't get overly concerned about all of that yet. The most important thing is just to write it out. You can always go behind it and edit it. Then I will do the professional summary. And because I have done all this other work, I really know the key things that I want to bring out and highlight. So that makes it a little bit easier when I write resumes to start there. Then you're going to put it away. You're going to take a break, do something else, maybe sleep on it overnight, and then come back. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start editing it. You're going to look for, do I have all the information I need? Did I leave anything out? What are my bullet points looking like? Is there a way that I can make them shorter? Or am I even missing some information? So you want to do some wordsmithing there to make them really, really tight and really, really powerful. And then that's when formatting comes in. Formatting should not start the process. It should be the end because the content should dictate how you're going to format that particular resume, because you will then know what you need to highlight, what is the most important pieces. So then I figure out how I want to format it, and then I'm done. So that is my way of writing a resume, and I hope that is helpful for you.